The cool cow. You have a mission, say what? Pull that out. Yeah.
This is getting tense. It's getting tense.
Yeah, you don't have any faces.
Getting tense. Nice return from Sean's part there. Sean stepping in. No, he's not allowed.
There we go.
How this is in the bottle. He's got rid of the foil now. The foil is in Hal's hand. It's gone. This is going to take a while.
Keep it on there. Wait, can you imagine? He goes like this. Halfway cow.
Yeah? Wait. Yeah. Go for it, Tal. Breaking into a bottle of wine with a sledgehammer. Dude, the cork's going in. Twist.
Maybe just knock it in. Whoa. That's quite interesting.
Oh, dude, there should be bits of cork floating in it.
Don't worry. Okay, different place. I can just let it drop it, watch. From that height.
Oh, well done, you brat. You.
I'll do like a wine in my eye. I actually.
Does it sting, Sean? Does it sting, man?
There's a cork everywhere. That was interesting.
We're into the wine.